Welcome back to the channel. So today we will be solving this very important problem, length of the last word. The concept which are used over here, you can see in a lot of questions, right? So let's see. Given a string S consisting of words and spaces, return the length of the last word in the string. Okay. A word is a maximal substring consisting of non-space character only. Okay, so we need to remove the space if there are any, and then we need to find the length of that particular word. Okay, so let's see this with the help of example, right? Okay, so if you see this word is there or a string is there, and this is the last word, right? And let's see the length of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So total we have 5, like world, right? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the length is 5, right? So that's why the answer is 5. Got it? Okay. So this is quite easy to understand. Now, let's see the next example. If you see here, we have the space over here, we have space over here also. Like after moon, we have space, before fly, we have space. So this is called leading space, and this is called trailing space, trailing white space to be more specific, right? So that we need to remove, right? We saw in the exam like here we saw in the problem statement, we need to remove those white spaces, right? We just need to consider the non-white space, right? So if we remove them, if we remove them, if we remove this part, right? And we only bother about the last word. So what is the length? Like what is the length now? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So the length is 4, right? So this is what our answer that we need to return. Similarly, here also we don't have any leading or a trailing space, right? And we can simply run the length on last word and get this, right? So what is the length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. So this is quite simple problem, but interesting also, right? So let's see how we can solve it. So if we talk about the steps, what we will do first, we will remove the space. We will remove the space. So in Python, we have stripe function, right? We can use that. It will we have L stripe and R stripe, but we will use stripe, so it will remove the both trailing and leading spaces. Second, what we will do, we will split. We will use split, and we will pass a space. So what it will do, it will create an array of word, right? So how it will do, let's say we will write the split of this word. So it will create a array of word, and there we will have these four elements. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we will extract the last word. Like third step will be extract last word, and fourth step will be return the length of last word, right? So these are the four steps in which we will be solving this problem. Let's see how we can solve this, right? So let me code it up. It is quite easy. So we are getting input in variable s. So what we can do, we can reuse again. So we can write s dot stripe, right? This is done. Now the next thing is we need we need to split it with the help of space, because the separator here is space, right? So the next thing what we can do, we can write s list, that is string list is s dot split, right? And we want to split with a space. Got it? Now the next step is to get the last word. So we can write last word. We can write last word is equal to s list of -1. So -1 is nothing but the last, like how we have the indexing which start from 0 and then 1 and then 2. Similarly, we have -1, -2, -3 to iterate from the last, right? So we got the last word also, and then we can finally find the answer, right? So we can write answer equal to length of last word and return answer. Okay, so let me run this. So these kind of question you can expect in the data engineering or data analyst or a data science interview. As we know, like for these roles, we don't get a complex question on graph, tree, anything like that. We get mostly on string arrays, right? So yeah, these are the question which we should practice before the interview, right? So I think this got accepted, right? So let's try submitting this. Wow. So this got accepted. So yes, if you like this, please do like, subscribe, and share the channel. And if you are new to this channel, what you can do, you can like check out other playlist also. We have interview problem on PySpark, like companies interview problem, right? So PySpark, SQL, Pandas, DSA, right? So you can check out that also. Let's meet in the next problem. Until then, bye.